Okay, so this is the Odiz 54-inch Bullard VTL Guard. Has the side panel on the side that's fixed. Double vertical sliders that are pinned, so it's locked in. Drop it down. Get to your workpiece. Operate. Lift back up. There's catches there and there. It hits the interlock switch. Locks into place. There's a mandoor. Open up. Open the door, get in, change tools, inspect part. There's another interlock door for the machine relay logic. 2 interlocks each door. Pin shut. Operator panel, vertical sliders. And that is the Odiz 54-inch Bullard VTL Guard.